How's the food, honey?
I think the veggies are a bit salty. The beef is overcooked, and this drink tastes plain. It needs more sugar.
Wow, what a disappointment. I never heard you complaining my cooking like this.
Well, yeah, your cooking is the best in the world, darling.
Now, how's the food, honey?
Mmm, mmm. As usual, you know the answer. It's perfect.
If you like my cooking that much, then I'll definitely cook for you every day.
Praise your wife's cooking. It's sunnah. And, uh, save money too.